Hello, everyone, and today we have with us Mr. Mohit, and he's a software developer at Code. So, Mr. Mohit, first of all, welcome to our channel, Please for an Interview. And would you like to tell us something about yourself?
Yeah, sure. First of all, thanks for inviting me on this channel. And myself, Mohit Rakade, and I'm working as a software developer at Curl. And I work on front end, back end as a full stack developer. I joined the Curl as an intern first for the 6 months. Then I'm working as a full time here, and I'm working on the various different cutting edge technologies and innovating good products that we will talk about in the interview.
All right. Moving ahead with the interview, brief us something about your company that you're currently working with.
Yeah. So Curl work on various domains, machine learning, blockchain, and various web products. And currently, the Curl, uh, we provided a vaccine with the drones, like transporting the vaccine with the drone in the remote areas. So these kind of cool stuff we do in the Curl. A lot of like currently we are working on the bunkering industry. One project is in bunkering industry. So uh, before the bunkering industry was like manual process, that bunkering is fueling process for ships, just like our motorcycles there is a fueling process for ships. So just like that, that process before was manual. So now we build a product which is itself an innovation in the bunkering industry, and that is which we are working on currently. Yeah.
Your job profile?
Yeah, so I currently work as a full time, and I do both front and back end. So you can call me as a full stack developer. So yeah, that is I'm working on, and it's not like in the call you will work on only this thing. It's not like that. You can explore a lot of things if you want to. That gives us good thing, and it's a startup culture. So we are not bounded by something, and there is no hierarchy level. We can talk with anyone and we can do stuff, and teams are also very supportive. So yeah, that's the advantage. Yeah.
Yeah. So as you know, skills are very much important for completing any fulfilling things. So
Yes.
what are the skills that are needed for this job profile? Would you elaborate on that?
Sure. So it depends person to person. So if you are into the machine learning thing and do AI machine learning, so you can apply like that. You can also apply. You can show what project you made, what kind of things you did. So for that there are opportunity. For blockchain there are opportunity. For if you are a front end developer, if you are a dev infosec guy, or if you work on hardware stuff, IoT, and these kind of things. So we are working on different projects. So if you can just follow on the LinkedIn, so there the job posting also is there, so you'll get the notification and all. So yeah, these are the things.
Okay. So as you mentioned about the skills, so what are the resources that we can opt for gaining such skills?
Internet. So like currently everything is available of internet. Okay, so we just need to stick to one thing. Like what people do is people go on the internet, watch this video, watch one blog, and like they just starting like jumping over the courses and all. Just like what I think is before we should complete one sincerely, and then you can explore stuff out on your own. Okay, and it is applicable to all the technologies and everything. And one thing I want to mention, just don't be in the tutorial hell. So it's a slang in the developer community that people just watch tutorials and do nothing. Just they are watching, but there is some point where when you should stop watching tutorials and do project on your own. That will build your skills, and that's what makes you what you are. Yeah.
Okay. So any advices that you want to give us to our future aspirants?
Yes. Don't depend on college too much. Just be like think of you as an individual. If you are a tier 3 student, don't get like demotivated. I am also from tier 3 college, but like skills, if you can gain the skills from anywhere. Like internet have everything. Just it's just you that you need to do. So don't make excuses like I can't do this and can't. Like there are various opportunities, and it's not like you just need to do DSL go and all. You can explore a lot of stuff. and these new technologies, they want people who are interested, and it's not like they want like experience of 3-5 years. No, they just want people to be interested and they are committed to work. So if you are like that, you have that spirit, you have that fire in you, yeah, no one can stop you. Yeah.
So what has been your experience overall working as a software developer at Curve?
Yeah, it was like the learning curve that I got, like amazing. I learned a lot of things. First I joined it. I joined as an intern. So my skill level was not that, but I was like very passionate to learn all this stuff. So I started working, and I like started exploring various things, and I like almost like doing front end, back end, and everything, and worked on different technologies, and like I got to know how exactly the industry level product work. Okay, like the project which I talked about, bunkering industry. So the ships goes to the sea. Okay, there is no internet in the ships. Like they need to use the satellite internet, and which is very low. So in that environment, we need to make apps and we need to run things and like showing the data and all. So that's cool, and we're doing it. So I feel like very much confident now on my skills after doing all of the things. Yeah.
Okay. So thank you so much, Mr. Mohit. It was amazing talking to you. And would you like to say something?
Yeah. Just don't give excuses and just start trying. You will never regret that you tried. So that's what my closing quote.